How excited are you right now, dude? Damn, bro. This is it, man. The Thunderbird is getting 373s. Finally. Damn, bro. Drive shaft dropped, suspension dropped, differential gone. How you feeling right now? Scared. Thunderbird's about to take flight, man. 373s. Alright, shop just finished. All we're doing now is tuning up the car. Gotta recalibrate, gotta pay the man first.
Si lo quieren contar mientras, son mis tips, perdón.
That's what a gear swap looks like.
425.
Damn, 425.
Así me dice que lo programo, ahí tiene tiempo de apuntar.
He laughs. That's a happy man right there. So what tune is this, Ivan? The camera's up.
Auto Mafia Racing 91.
So AMR, he's going with the Auto Mafia 91 tune and has the 373s installed now. Alright, she's all tuned up. Let's do it. Damn, bro. 373s, boy. Alright, so we're fast forwarding into the night a little bit. Obviously, he has to do the break-in period, so we can't do anything crazy. We could do stuff in my car. My car has 373s. Since I know everybody's gonna leave it in the comments, they're gonna want to see us race. We're gonna have to race, man. Auto Mafia with 373s and MPT with 373s. And he has long tubes, I have shorties, so s550, s197, so there's a lot of different things going on there. And I got something coming in for the Mustang pretty soon. And hopefully the next few weeks, it'll be coming in. That's a coyote, brother. That's a coyote if I've ever heard one. Charlie? Charlie? This is what you guys have to hear. What's up, dude?
Hey, man.
You gotta take me for a ride right now so we can hear the pops in your ST for the vid, man. We'll get a clip of Jake's ST in a little bit. We're gonna head to a meet. Got the squad together, first time in a while. Let's do it. I feel like I'm in a war zone, man. Alright, we're going for a ride in the ST. Let the gunshots begin. Wow. Hey, Justin, what's up? Damn, bro. That's pretty dope. Not gonna lie. You probably pissed off all these fucking people here, but who cares? TVH. Hey, what? Let me hear it. Fucking good, bro.
Fuck everyone else. Gotta remember that nobody's better than